food, but I can't remember where I am. A mattress on an old wood.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to LofgrenLife. So today I'm going to be cleaning these cabinets on top. I'm going to be cleaning out the oven. I'm going to be also cleaning the vents that's down the hallway. So if you're ready for this motivation, and if you are new here, welcome, and please hit that subscribe button and that ring bell notification so you don't miss another upload from me. So let's get right into it. So what I like to do first, you guys, is start off by making a list of the items that I need to tackle today. And I try to do that first thing in the morning. That way I don't get sidetracked and miss out on the things that I really want to take care of each day. What do you guys normally do? Do you write a list? Do you just walk around your house and try to determine, what you're going to do just by looking around? I don't know. Comment below and let me know what you guys do. So what I'm starting out first is I'm going to put this paste in this oven and let that soak while I go ahead and tackle the other things that's on my list. And I'm just using 1 cup, I think, or a cup and a half of baking soda and half part water. And I'm going to take that paste and just put it all over the oven here. And you guys, my oven is so bad. It is bad. I should have already cleaned this out. But that's okay. I'm going to be doing it today, and I'm going to let this soak because it definitely needs to soak for as long as possible so I can get all of the stuff that's been baked on and just over the time that's just in this oven. So that's what I'm doing now.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal.
Let me tell you guys, this is quite messy. I have never cleaned my oven with baking soda and water. I normally use oven cleaner, but those fumes are really strong. So I'm trying to do something that's a little more natural, and I hope that it cleans this oven out. So you guys, we're doing this together. I've never done this before. Let me tell you, I was gonna clean both of them, but I'm like, the top one was quite a bit. So I'll clean the bottom oven out another time if it works with just the baking soda and the water. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to move on and get the kitchen kind of cleaned up. It's really not that bad today, but I just got to pick up a few things, put everything back in its home, and then I'm going to move on to the cabinets and cleaning those off. Let me tell you guys, I was getting ready to unload the dishwasher, but then I was like, wait a minute, are these clean? No, they're not. So I did not start the dishwasher last night, so I need to get this load here washed and then put away so I can then load the dishwasher with the dishes that are in the sink. So that's what I'm doing now. And then I'm going to move on to the cabinets. And you guys, the top of these cabinets, these are like some hidden spaces. I'm going to call these secret places that are there. They're visible. We don't always get to them as much as we probably should. So if you haven't cleaned on top of your cabinets, I'm sure they're probably dusty. So you guys want to clean along with me, grab your vacuum, or if you don't have one, grab a washcloth and some all-purpose spray, and let's wipe the top of these cabinets together.
So just let go and don't hold back. I've got you, welcome you into my world. I know that some might say.
Tell you guys, these shoes that I have on, and I'm stepping all on top of my countertops. I only wear these shoes inside the house. I do not wear these outside. So that is why I still have them on here on top of my cabinet.
I've got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good.
Do you guys see all of this dust that was just on top of my cabinets? Yes, that is crazy. So I cannot tell you when the last time that I got up here and dusted on top of these cabinets, but I'm glad I did, and all this dust that I got off. I'm going to be using Miss Meyer's lemon scent to wipe these plants off, because yes, they do get dusty, especially the one that's over the stove. That one gets a lot of dust on it because of the ventilation system that's over there. So these definitely need a good wipe.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. You love, you love, you love. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember what happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
So you guys, this pineapple top is, my mom actually grew this pineapple out back from just that topping from another pineapple. It took probably about 1 year or so. She cut it up the other day, and that was the most sweetest, juiciest pineapple I have ever had from Publix or Walmart or any other grocery store. So we're gonna try this again. We're gonna try to plant this and grow another pineapple, and we'll see how long it takes. This is my brother Anthony. He stopped by to pay us a visit. He's actually talking through the computer with my other brother Michael. So they're having a conversation as I'm cleaning, but that is Anthony.
We take your falling.
Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to wiping all the appliances down in the kitchen. And then once I'm done with that, the dishwasher has stopped by this time. And then I'm gonna unload this dishwasher, and then I'm gonna reload the dishwasher with the dishes that's in the sink.
I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step.
How do you guys unload your dishwasher? My dishwasher is away from my cabinet, and I was watching Oso Maya, and I was thinking, you know what, my dishwasher is not in a nice central location that's close to my cabinet. So I find myself unloading my whole entire dishwasher and then putting things away. How do you unload your dishwasher? Do you just unload a few things at a time and put those away? Or do you also unload everything all at one time and then put those dishes away?
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet you.
Okay, you guys, so I am getting through my list. It feels so good to cross things off. So now I'm done the dishwasher, and now I'm moving on to cleaning the vents down the hallway. And you guys, these vents are so long overdue for a cleaning. So we are tackling this together because it is so needed.
Feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing.
Okay, you guys, getting close to the end of my list here. So now I'm going to wipe this hallway down. This is the other side of the house. So my house is like a split plan. The master bedroom and bath is on one side, and then all the other bedrooms and baths are on the other side of the house. And so this hallway has a tendency to get dirtier quicker because of fingerprints and things like that. So I'm just gonna wipe this down.
my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it.
Okay, you guys, so now I'm moving back to the kitchen because by this time the baking soda has had a chance to really sit in this oven for a couple hours. I also put the oven self cleaner on as well. Once I finish putting the baking soda paste on there, I'm just gonna spray the oven down with just plain vinegar that I have in this spray bottle. And hopefully that also helps in lifting all of that dirt and cook on food that's in this top oven. So you guys, this is definitely not an easy job, let me tell you. It's been a while since I cleaned this oven, so I'm having to really use some elbow grease and using one of these little green scrubby things, and it's really doing a good job. All the dirt is really lifting, so I'm actually happy with what I'm looking at right now. And I would definitely recommend using the baking soda and water and vinegar to clean your oven. So let me keep cleaning, that way you can keep watching and seeing how all the dirt is lifting up out of there.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime momos. We were in too deep in your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback.
You guys, so this is it. It looks really good with just baking soda, water, and vinegar. This is the before. The before is on the left and the after is on the right. It came out really good. I'm really satisfied with how clean that is. I probably could go over it one more time just to get a few more of those cooked on spots in there, but it came out really good with just natural cleaning cleaning products like the baking soda, water, and vinegar, and that is it. But on the oven rack, I'm going to use the barkeeper's friend to go through and just scrape or to really clean those each one of those racks there. And as you can see, the black is really shining, so the barkeeper's friend did a good job as well on cleaning this rack. And I'm going to put that back inside, and then my oven is clean, and it's going to feel so good to mark the oven off of my list as done. So I still have to clean the bottom oven, and I will get to that another day. Now that I know that the baking soda did a really good job in cleaning, oh you guys, I feel so good. Oven is clean, half of it anyway. But like I said, I'm going to come back and I'm going to clean the bottom oven since it did such a good job with just using the baking soda. So I definitely highly recommend you guys using baking soda, vinegar, and water to clean your ovens as well. Okay, so moving on to the final and last thing on my list, and that is sweeping and mopping the floors in my kitchen as well as the hallway. So that is what I'm doing here.
I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
So you guys, I am going to now mop my floors. I only use vinegar and water to mop my floors. I don't use any like mopping glow or anything to put like a shine on these floors, and it does a really good job. It doesn't leave like a slippery surface or anything like that. So that is all I use on these floors, is just vinegar.
Standing right here, I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you, and I
it gave you some motivation or some ideas for you to also tackle your spots or those secret spots that we hardly ever get to. And before you leave, please comment below and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. All those things really help my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.